Welcome to our tutorial on how to download the Libby app to your devices and set it up so you can read and listen to books to your heart's content. Make sure to have your library card on hand. This tutorial is on an iPhone. If you have an Android device, you will need to open the Google Play app to download the Libby app. Let's open up our App Store or Google Play app. Go to your search function and type out Libby, L-I-B-B-Y. Scroll down to Libby by Overdrive and download the app. Once downloaded, you can open it up here or go to your home screen to find the app and open it up there. Once open, Libby will take you through instructions on how to set up your account. Select Yes for Do you have a library card? Select I'll search for a library. Go to the search box and type in Deep River. Select the Ontario Library Service Consortium box. We are now going to confirm that yes, we do want to use our card at the Deep River Public Library. Here is where you'll need your library card. Look at your library card and find the barcode. The number you will need starts at the 200. In total, you will need 8 digits. Do not put the last number that is on the barcode here. Today, I will be using Lewis Library's card number. Type it out and select Sign In. Once you've hit Signed In, you should have a card linked to your account. Select Next. This will bring you to the library section of the Libby app. Feel free to explore and enjoy the app or go to our next tutorial on how to use the app. Thank you.